learning the English language and you learn the word run, okay? Now you know what run means, the default meaning. However, now you're going to see somebody who's a native speaker and he will say, man, I ran out of money, man. I got to run it up. In the same sentence, he uses run with two different meanings. Now, so this is what he means by, learn the speech of the Arabs, both in literal meaning and in figurative meaning. So what does I ran out of money mean? And what does it mean I got to run it up in certain dialects in the US? Now, the river runs next to my house. Now, I run a business. So with the Arabic language, you do the same thing. For example, something that most of you, even if you are beginning, you will know most of the times what dars means, right? Ad-darsu, the default meaning is lesson. However, ad-dars can come, and what it really means in the Arabic language as an asl is atharun ala shay, an effect that was caused on something. So you can say, for example, خافت العرب أو خاف العلماء على الدروس في اللغة. The scholars, they fear الدروس في اللغة. If you only know lessons as dars, and you don't know the asl of the kalima, that it means to affect something, then you read this sentence, you say, what do you mean? The ulama got scared of the durus upon the language? So if you go back to the meaning, to the original meaning, a dars is an effect, and it could be a negative effect, right? So you say when the ajam, when the foreigners came into the peninsula, the Arabic peninsula, there was a dars that happened in the Arabic language. There was an effect, right? And there was some sort of corruption that happened to the classical Arabic language. And by understanding the source meaning of darasa, you understand what at-tadris means better. At-tadris, to teach something, it means to repeat something to someone until that information affects his heart. I.e., I would repeat something to you so many times until it's part of you, until you know it, until it's part of you, of the knowledge that you have. So this is why when you learn the Arabic language, first you learn the vocabulary. Second, you learn how this vocabulary is used in context, figurative, non-figurative, so that way you are able to speak like the people speak. You don't just go to the dictionary and find run and say, what is this person is earning? I gotta run it up. I run out of money. The dictionary doesn't say this. Why? Because these are things that are spoken. So likewise, the Arabic language is a spoken language, and you need to take it from the natives to know how to use it.